Bitcoin and Dogecoin both use proof of work mechanism, but despite of their similarity, one Bitcoin price is more than 17 lakh rupees while one Doge is just some rupees. Now you must be thinking, what's the thing that determines the value of any cryptocurrency? So it's tokenomics. It is the most important factor while evaluating the value of any cryptocurrency. Now you must be thinking about what is tokenomics. Tokenomics are formed by the two words token plus economics. Tokenomics basically point to the economy of crypto token, and it is the most important factor while evaluating the future prospect of any cryptocurrency. So let's check out some of the important tokenomics factors that determine the value of any cryptocurrency. But before this, let's first understand what is the difference between coin and token. Coin versus token. Most people think that coins and token are the same thing, but these are two different terms. So let's understand it with an analogy. Suppose you want to go from A to B. Now you have two options. First, either you buy your own car and have to manage everything like keeping it up to date, changing the fuel, replacing the tire and all those stuff. Means you are taking the responsibility of each and everything. On the other hand, you can rent a car. Means you borrow a car from someone else, give the rent to the owner and that's it. Now you don't have to do anything else. Similar to this analogy, coins have their own blockchain. Means they have to take care of everything like keeping the transaction, verifying the transaction and all those things. For example, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they have their own blockchain. On the other hand, tokens do not have their own blockchain. They operate on other coins blockchain like Chainlink and USDT. They operate on Ethereum blockchain and they are also called as ERC20 token. First, supply and demand. Unlike physical goods, supply in crypto is not as straightforward. There are majorly three types of supply. First, circulating supply. Circulating supply is the total number of publicly issued tokens in circulation. For example, currently there are over 122 million Ethereum coins in circulation. This indicates that Ethereum is actively being mined. Second, total supply. It includes tokens that have been created and then burned. Burning in crypto is used to describe the act of permanently removing the token from the circulation. And the third is maximum supply. Maximum supply is the maximum number of tokens that can ever be generated. If a token has limited or less supply, then there is a high probability that the price of that token will go up. Bitcoin have maximum supply of 21 million. On the other hand, Dogecoin have no maximum supply. This is one of the major reasons why Bitcoin is more valuable than Dogecoin. Cryptocurrencies are created in two ways, by fair launch or by pre-mined. A fair launch is when a crypto is mined, earned, owned or governed by the entire community, not by a single person. There is no early access to the token or private allocation before making them public. Bitcoin and Dogecoin are the good example of this. On the other hand, pre-mining is when a number of tokens is generated and distributed among some people before making them public. Most crypto projects these days are coming with pre-mined token. So before investing in that crypto project, you first have to check if there is any wallet that keep holding the significant percentage of the circulating token supply. If it is, then don't invest in that crypto project because there can be a huge risk involved. On the other hand, if a crypto project is distributing their token to as many people as possible, then there is a high probability that a particular crypto project will give you the maximum return. Another factor is market capitalization, commonly known as market cap. It describes the total number of funds invested in that crypto project and it can be calculated by multiplying the current market price of a crypto token multiplied by circulating supply. This is one of the common ways of ranking a coin by its size and popularity. And the last but not least, utility. It is a crucial factor while considering the tokenomics. What's the problem a token is solving? Determine the value of that token. That's all from my side. Let me know what other tokenomic factor you consider before investing in cryptocurrency. If you found this video insightful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends.